In today's video, we are going to show you how to recover deleted photos from Terabox quickly and easily using the recycle bin or trash feature. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Terabox app on your mobile device. For example, I'm going to show you a recently uploaded photo from my personal vault. It has one image and I'm gonna delete it, okay? As you may notice, Terabox gives you the ability to recover any accidental deletion within 10 days. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that file. And then for us to be able to recover it, all we have to do is super simple. Go to the home page, hover to the top left corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, and then click the recycling bin. All I have to do here is browse or search for the photos you want to recover. You can usually select one or multiple photos at the same time. For example, this one. And then all I have to do is click the recover or restore button. Your photo or photos will go back to their original folder in your Terabox storage. Remember again that deleted files stay in the Terabox recycle bin for a limited time within 10 days. But if you are subscribed to the premium plan, the files can stay on the recycle bin for up to 30 days. After that, files are permanently deleted and can't be recovered. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you recover deleted photos from Terabox. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.